Hi, I'm Georgia. Welcome to our new series. This is called the Food of the Week.
Play, play, play along. Come on and play along. Play, play, play along. Come on and play along.
So, welcome. The purpose of this whole series is to teach you lots of signs all about food. So this is our first sign, is food. Okay, where do we eat? Where do we put our food? We put it in our mouth, right? And it's the same sign as eat. So eat and food, basically the same sign. So why do we eat? We eat because we're hungry. So the sign for hungry, you're going to take like a C hand and you're going to come up here under your chin and all the way down to your stomach. Now the sign for wish just doesn't come down as far. This is just a little bonus word, wish. So if you are hungry and you wish you had food, you know the difference between those signs, right? Sometimes we're maybe not really hungry, but that food just looks so delicious. So for delicious, you're going to take your thumb and your middle finger up here by your mouth and you're going to flick it out like this. It's delicious. Delicious. Another sign that you need to know besides hungry is if you're thirsty. So you take your pointer finger and you're going to drag it down your throat, down here to your chest, because your throat is dry. You just don't have anything in there. So how do you solve that? You get a drink. This is a sign for drink, like you're holding a cup. How easy is that? So we have food and then we have drink. So now that's kind of why we eat. And next thing is, when do we eat? All right, in the morning, we're going to have our breakfast. Now, breakfast is a two-part sign. So you're going to make the sign for food. And then this is the sign for morning. There's the sun coming up. So breakfast, and then at around noontime, we're going to eat our lunch. So you're going to do food plus, this is the sun straight up in the sky. So this would be lunch. And then later on in the evening, when we start to get hungry again, we're going to have our dinner. So this is a sign for night. So, because see how that sun's going down? So this would be the sign for dinner. So you know why and you know when. So how about where? Where are we going to eat? We're going to eat, a lot of times we're going to eat at our home. Now the sign for home is where you eat and sleep. So this would be like sleep, right? So you're going to do the sign here toward your mouth and then up here on your cheek. So you're going to eat at your home. You might decide to eat at a restaurant. Now a restaurant is an initialized sign. So you're going to make an R and you're going to come down on one side of your mouth and the other. This is a sign for restaurant. Notice how so many of these food signs are right here at your mouth. Well, that's important, right? So this is restaurant. Or you don't have a lot of time, so you're going to go for fast food. So this is a sign for fast and then food. Or it's a beautiful day outside and you put some sandwiches and food into a basket and you go for a picnic. Picnic is the same sign as sandwich. That's usually what we take on a picnic. So you're going to make two flat hands and toward your mouth. This is a sign for picnic. That's kind of fun. And through each week, we're going to be bringing you I'm going to be teaching you the signs for foods based on their food group. Okay, so this is food and this would be group. So be sure you come and visit us every week because you're going to learn lots of vegetables and fruits and all about the meat and breads and cereals and all manner of food signs, which are kind of fun to do. And if you haven't looked at any of our other series, we have an Around the House where I show you lots of ASL vocabulary for the various rooms in your house, or the letters of the week where I do these crazy stories for each letter of the alphabet. So they're just kind of fun to help you learn more of the different signs. Okay? So We'll see you next week, and be sure you check out all the other videos.
Play, play, play along.